On behalf of Tumauini South District, let me extend my sincere congratulations to the incredible class of 2021. A bumpy year has gone by, but you, dear graduates, have surpassed one of the greatest and most challenging years in the life of every student, because it happened during this time of pandemic. Hence, no calamity, poverty, distance, nor pandemic can stop this destined day. You will go forth and pursue higher goals from this place as you leave your legacy behind. Those who have witnessed how you have conquered one of the history's greatest obstacles will know your deeds, will celebrate your triumphs, and will proudly follow your example. With this, dear graduates, I give you my salute. On this special occasion, we are delighted to recognize the special people who have been part of your success. Let us then express our appreciation to our frontliners in education, our teachers, administration, and school staff at the DepEd Tumauini South District who had constantly contributes for the continuing tradition of unparalleled excellence. To all the parents and the family members watching this ceremony from your humble homes, we can feel the warmth of your support to the institution and the pride you have seen your children graduate. Accept our heartfelt thanks that you richly deserve. I know that you allotted this time watching from your houses with pride and joy. Thank you very much. The depth and breadth of the youth's contribution to our society are an everlasting inspiration to all of us. I want to take this opportunity to thank all the faculty members who step forward to help mold these great students no matter the distance, just to deliver quality and accessible education even in remote areas of the municipality. Talagang sa DepEd Isabela, walang batang maiiwan. My commendation also to the school which continuously gives young men and women the chance to pursue and continue reaching for their goals while battling the challenges of this pandemic. This has made the graduates of today unique. The flexibility of the institution in adapting circumstances championed education. In times of turbulence, when the road is rough, what matters most is the lesson and experiences we all learned wonderfully through this, the power of education and resiliency. As long as you remain steadfast, faithful, and determined, nothing will stand in your way. Nothing will slow you down, and nothing will stop you from achieving victory. Congratulations, graduates of Batch 2021. Thank you very much, and may God bless us all.